In this video, you will learn how to place tables side by side in Microsoft Word. Currently, you can see here I have placed two tables side by side in Microsoft Word file. You will also learn how to insert caption in these tables. In addition, you will also learn how to rotate these tables and how to move these tables. For example, I have two tables. If I click here, then I am able to move these tables in upward direction as well as in downward direction. In addition, if I place my cursor here, and I can rotate these tables. So let's start this video without further delay. If this video is helpful for you, please like it and subscribe to the channel for more informative videos. I have opened a separate file. Go to Insert option and here you will find the option of tables. Click here and select the cells. If you are interested to place two tables side by side, select two cells. If you are interested to place three tables side by side, then you can select three cells. In this case, I will select two cells. Click here. Now you can see here, two cells are inserted by Microsoft Word. I will place my table captions here. Click on first cell, table 1, student attendance. Click on second cell, table 2. Now again go to insert option and again go to this table option and I will insert a table 3 by 5. Similarly, click here. Again go to insert option. From here go to table option, click here and I will insert a table 3 by 5. You can write anything. For example, I will write ID, name, you can also edit these text. If I select this one, go to Home tab and from here you can bold, change font size, font style and color. Now our last task is to remove this border. Now place your cursor here and click on this 4 arrow sign. Click here. After that, place your cursor here and right click. Here you will find the option of table properties. Select this option. Go to borders and shading option. And from here I will select none. After doing that, click on OK. Again click on OK. Now you can observe that we have successfully removed the border. If you are interested to move these tables, go to Insert option. And here you will find the option of text box. Select this one. Here is the option of draw text box. Select this one and draw a text box in Microsoft Word file. I will draw a text box here. After that, I will select all these. Copy this one and paste it in text box. Adjust the text box. Select this text box. Go to Shape Format option and here is the option of Shape Outline. Select this one. From here I will choose New Outline. Now I will click here. Place your 4 arrow sign here on this line and you can move it in upward direction as well as downward direction. If I place my cursor here, then I am able to rotate these tables. So by following this video, you can easily insert two tables side by side in Microsoft Word. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye.